In today's video, I'll show you how to set Brave as your default browser on your MacBook, so every link you open automatically launches in Brave. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down in the left sidebar and click on Desktop and Dock. Now on the right side, scroll down until you find Default Web Browser. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Then select Brave from the list. And that's it. Brave is now set as your default browser. From now on, whenever you click a link, from emails, apps, or documents, it will automatically open in Brave. If you don't see Brave in the list, make sure it's installed on your Mac and opened at least once. Also, when you open Brave, it may prompt you to set it as your default browser. You can confirm it from there as well. That's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.